Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix error download field retry in Free Fire game. If you have facing this problem, so you have need watch this video and solve your problems. So how can fix this errors? Let's get started this video without wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen. So after then go back home screen and go on your mobile settings. Go on your mobile settings and check it your internet connection. If your internet connection has been not properly worked, so connect your Wi-Fi device and play your games. And if you have still facing this problem, so second option, go on your app management or app application. If you have using iPhone, so go on your iPhone storage and search it Free Fire and enter into the Free Fire and offload your Free Fire application. You see app management. If you have using Android, so enter into the app management and click on app list. You see after then click on app list and search it your Free Fire game application. Search it your Free Fire game application and you see data usage details, so just enter into the data usage detail and enable the background data. After then enable the background data, you see permissions, so just enter into the permissions and allow the all permissions, macro, food and storage. See apply this method and last and final method, your problem has been 100% solved. Enter into the Play Store app. Enter into the Play Store app, type on search bar and search it Free Fire. Free Fire. And check it your Free Fire game is update or not update. If your Free Fire game is not updated, so firstly update your Free Fire game and your problem has been 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.